little shopping area. Travis is my photographer per usual. So yeah, it's really nice out today too. It feels amazing. We are at Waverly Place. This is my outfit. Hey guys, what's today? Saturday. We are on our way to Atlanta. We're all packed and ready to go. Of course, I will vlog when I get there. Let's go. Hey guys, we made it to Atlanta. We made it to our room. I'm getting ready to give you guys a quick room tour. We actually just got up here, and we have Ace. I don't know if I told you guys, Ace is coming with us. So we are here in Atlanta. So welcome to the vlog from Atlanta. So let me give you guys a quick tour, and Kaylee wants to say hi. Hi. Let me give you guys a quick tour of the room. Okay, so this is starting from the front door. This is our little seating area here, and that is a pull out there. That's where the kids will be. And then you have the TV section, and you have a nice table here. And I love this lamp, by the way. I'm gonna turn back around this way. And we're staying at the Embassy Suites, Buckhead. I don't know if I mentioned that. Then you have your little sink area here. And we have a refrigerator, microwave, and then this is the bathroom. Really nice bathroom. And I'll show you the shower from this angle because I have my shoes on, so I'm not gonna go in the bathroom. Vanity area. Okay, then you have your long length mirror here. And then you have like a vanity area here. The situation, and then we have the king bed. This is really nice. I like the wallpaper. I love the wallpaper. Very, very pretty. So this is what our room looks like, and it's really nice. I love the whole decor. It's really, really cute. Really cute. This is what it looks like from this angle here. And that is it. That completes the room tour. I'm going to go ahead and call my cousins and let them know that we have checked in and we are ready. We're meeting them here. They flew in from Vegas, and then we have family that already lives here, so we're going to see them here too. Also, they're going to meet us here in the lobby or in the common area. They have a common area on the second floor, so we're going to meet them. But a little OOTD of the day. This is a t-shirt. I got this from Target, just like a traveling shirt. I really like it. It's comfortable. My black biker shorts, which are from H&M, and then some Nike tube socks, and these are my Fila sneakers. I don't know the exact name, but if you're interested, I will link them below. Just a nice, car ride situation. Straightened my hair this morning, so it's nice and fresh. And then I curled it and then pin curled it and then took it down, so it's kind of falling a little bit. But overall, I do like how it turned out, but it's just like on its first day, so it's nice and fresh. But yeah, I will pick back up with you guys later on today. I don't know what we're getting into. I think we're gonna go probably eat, I'm sure, but I will pick back up with you guys in a little bit.
You gotta get them babies.
I know, I'm about to eat right now. I'm trying to do my slow motion. Hey girls.
Hi.
Say hey to the vlog, Laura. See that? Hey, we're
Be aware of the drink. I'm pushing the clock a bit slow. And now, the blue ones are dark chocolate. The pink ones are milk chocolate. Please, take one.
We always live. Welcome to the Marshmallow Pig, where you know we always live. Your keys, your phone. If you lose them, it'll be gone. Your keys, your phone. If you lose it, it ain't going home. Okay, guys, I'm gonna read you guys.
We are back from Atlanta. It is Tuesday. I'm in the Starbucks line to get me and Kaylee something to drink. I just picked her up from school. So the video was pretty much just taking you through our mini vacation with our family. I didn't vlog as much of talking and things like that because I was trying to enjoy them and really be in the moment. So I apologize if it wasn't a lot of talking or like my other vlogs. So I just wanted to be in the moment and kind of just get snippets of our trip and just really enjoy them. We had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, a lot of things were sped up. We went to I showed you guys the room tour. We stayed at the Embassy Suites, which was really, really nice. If you guys get a chance, if you are going to Atlanta in the future, definitely check out Embassy Suites. It's in Buckhead. It's really nice. We loved it there. And then we did Candytopia with Kaylee and her cousins, and I saw my cousins from Vegas. So we had a really good time. This house was really good. I did like their food. Definitely will be back there. They had live music, so it was really nice. Overall the trip was fun. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Like I said, we're at Starbucks to get our drinks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.